Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add multiple photos to Instagram from PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to add multiple photos to your post, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just open Instagram. So here you might see the option of plus or create option here. Just click on this and then click on post. Once you have done, just click on select from computer. So the very first, you have to add a single photo here. So just double click on a single photo or click on the photo and then click on open. So it will be added here. Now you will see a copy option or a border option here. You just have to click on this icon and then click on plus. Now you just have to add a different photo here. So let's see, I'm gonna add this one. Then add a third photo. So let's see, I'm going to add this one here. So you can add multiple photos in this way. And once you have done, you can also change its order. Then click on next. And from here, you can also edit these photos using different filters. Or you can also adjust your photos if you want. But I'm not going to edit them. Just click on next. And here you have to add descriptions and everything you want to add here. You can tag people and much more. Just click on share once you have done. So now just wait for this loading or until this is sharing. And once this has been done, you might see that your post had been shared. So just click on this cross icon or any empty place. It will refresh your page and after that you might see your post here. So in this way, you can easily add multiple photos to your Instagram post from your PC or from your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.